can see me live, I would appreciate if you can press Y or 1. If you can hear me well and see me well, can you please kindly press 1 or Y? Walaikum Assalam everybody, thank you so much. We'll just start our session in like a couple of minutes. Let a few more members join us, so we'll start sharp at 6:30. Great, thank you. Alright, we'll give just one more minute and then we will start the session. ग्रेट सो आज का सेशन है, मैं सबको फॉर्मली वेलकम करती हूँ ऑन न्यूमरेसी डेवलपमेंट और मैथमेटिकल डेवलपमेंट इन अर्ली चाइल्डहुड. सो बाय न्यूमरेसी एंड मैथमेटिकल डेवलपमेंट वी मीन दैट किस तरह से छोटा बच्चा जो है वो मैथमेटिक्स और न्यूमरेसी को बहुत अर्ली ईयर्स में उसकी स्किल, उसकी रिलेटेड स्किल्स को गेन कर रहा होता है. आप अपने क्वेश्चंस, अपने कमेंट्स यहाँ पर पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. सेशन के एंड में आई विल आंसर ऑल ऑफ दीज. Session के end में we will also have one of the lucky draws of the contest that we have kept on the forum and the group. So I will announce the winner as well. So session का agenda ये होगा कि पहले हम पढ़ेंगे कि कुछ मैथमेटिक्स स्किल्स होती क्या हैं, न्यूमरेसी स्किल्स में किस तरह की स्किल्स शामिल होती है. सेकेंड, किस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ और किस तरह के जो है वो डिफरेंट टॉयज़ या डिफरेंट रिसोर्सेज पेरेंट्स या टीचर्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं ताकि वो स्किल्स इन्हेंस्ड हो. और हर स्किल के लिए एक टॉय या एक लर्निंग रिसोर्स हमारे पास होना वो तो बेहतर है, बहुत अच्छी बात होती है. सो एज पेरेंट्स एज टीचर्स वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट अर्ली न्यूमरेसी डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट्स वे बिफोर इवन द चाइल्ड इज़ बोर्न. एज मैडम मारिया मॉन्टेसरी हैज़ राइटली सेड दैट अ चाइल्ड माइंड इज़ मैथमेटिकल बाय बर्थ. यानी बच्चा जब इस दुनिया में आता है उससे पहले ही उसके अंदर वो मैथमेटिक्स, वो न्यूमरेसी की स्किल्स होती है. एज टीचर्स, एज पेरेंट्स हमारा काम होता है उन स्किल्स को नर्चर करना. आप में से, हम में से देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु से ओ मैथ इज़ अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट सब्जेक्ट, ओ न्यूमरेसी इज़ अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट सब्जेक्ट. सो जो मुझे देख रहे हैं इस वक्त, कैन यू टाइप आप में से कितने लोगों को मैथ यू यूज्ड टू फाइंड इट वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट और यू स्टिल फाइंड वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट learning math or thinking that you are not a person who is very good at mathematical skills. So if you would type 2, I would understand कि आपको मैथमेटिक्स से fear है, like या आप समझते हैं कि मैथमेटिक्स is very very tough. So if you could type 2, I would know कि you know if you like mathematics, if you don't like mathematics. So if you don't like mathematics, you type 2. If you like mathematics, you type 3. सो आई गेट टू नो कि आप में से ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जिनको न्यूमरेसी या मैथ्स सुनकर ही जो है वो लगता है मैथ्स हमारा सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. सो या we're getting couple of I'm also getting couple of WhatsApps and texts that there are many people who don't like mathematics. People get confused with numbers. People think that numbers are very difficult. But the thing is that कि हमें समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि मैथ जो है वो डेली लाइफ रूटीन की एक्टिविटी है. मैथ इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू लर्न. मैथमेटिक्स इज़ ऑल इन द एनवायरनमेंट. मैथमेटिक्स इज़ ऑल अराउंड अस. और इसी तरह जब बचपन से ही हम बच्चों को डिफरेंट मैथमेटिक्स एक्टिविटीज़ या न्यूमरेसी डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज़ में इंगेज करेंगे तो हमारे बच्चे जो हैं वो बड़े होकर उनके अंदर जो उनकी मैथ की ग्रिप है, उनकी नंबर्स की ग्रिप है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी. बिकॉज मैथमेटिक्स इज़ ऑल अराउंड अस. वी लिव इन द कल्चर वेयर मैथमेटिक्स, साइंस, सोशल साइंसेज, एवरीथिंग इज़ अराउंड अस. सो सबसे पहले कॉम्पोनेंट को हम टच करेंगे और देखेंगे कि मैथ्स की स्किल क्या होती है. If you have a pen or a paper, or you can maybe hear this session again, एंड यू कैन राइट डाउन दी स्किल्स. सबसे पहली जो मैथ्स और न्यूमरेसी की स्किल है वो होती है नंबर्स ऑपरेशन. व्हेन वी से नंबर ऑपरेशन तो यानी नंबर रिकग्निशन. जब बच्चा नंबर रिकग्नाइज करता है या वो काउंटिंग कर रहा होता है, वो जो है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग कर रहा होता है, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविजन कर रहा होता है. सो द फर्स्ट न्यूमरेसी स्किल दैट वी हैव इज़ ऑफ नंबर ऑपरेशंस, which we also call number recognition, counting, basic subtraction, addition, division. So ऐसी हमारे पास टॉयज़ और एक्टिविटीज़ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है जो बच्चे को नंबर ओरिएंटेशन दे रही है. यानी कि बच्चे को नंबर से इंट्रोड्यूस करा रही है. दिस इज़ 1, दिस इज़ 2, दिस इज़ 3. देन जैसे ही बच्चा थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता है, देन यू इंट्रोड्यूस देम विथ यूनिट, टेंस, थाउजेंड्स, हंड्रेड्स वाली टाइप के कॉन्सेप्ट. देन वो थोड़ा बड़ा होता है तो फिर आप उन्हें वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सिखाते हैं विद एडिशन, नंबर ऑपरेशन सिखाते हैं विद एडिशन, काउंटिंग, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिविजन. सो ये जो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ होती है इसे हम कहते हैं नंबर ऑपरेशंस. एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेसिक मैथमेटिकल स्किल्स जो कि नंबर की रिकग्निशन, नंबर्स ऑपरेशन से रिलेटेड होती है. सेकेंड जो होती है, और हम इससे रिलेटेड अभी कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ और टॉयज़ भी देखेंगे, क्योंकि नॉट एवरीबडी इज़ वेरी गुड एट डिज़ाइनिंग लो कॉस्ट एक्टिविटीज़. फ्यू पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो फील गुड कि अगर उनके पास कोई ऐसे लर्निंग मटीरियल्स हों जिससे बच्चा है उसकी नंबर ऑपरेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा इन्हांस हो सके. सो हम थोड़ी देर में वो एक्टिविटीज़ भी देख रहे होंगे. सेकेंड स्किल दैट वी हैव ऑफ पैटर्न्स. मैथमेटिक्स में पैटर्न्स को सिखाना इज़ रियली एसेंशियल. बाय पैटर्न वी मीन कि हर चीज़ का एक पैटर्न होता है. यू सी, then we have roots, then we have stems, then we have leaves, then we have flowers. It's a pattern of plant. So patterning is another mathematical and numeracy skill that we learn through learning mathematics. The third is पैटर्न्स के अंदर ऑल्सो आती है लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. फॉर इंस्टेंस हमें पता है कि एक प्लांट जो है वो स्विमिंग पूल के बीच में पड़ा है, सो दैट इज़ ऑड वन आउट, राइट? एंड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो पैटर्निंग. वी रीजन, वी डू लॉजिकल सीक्वेंसिंग ऑफ थिंग्स, and that is what we call patterns. The third thing that is in mathematics is measurement, यानी कि length, height, weight and time की बारे में पढ़ना और समझना. Fourth thing we have in mathematics is spatial sense. We talk about shapes, we talk about size, we talk about positions, we talk about movements. इसी तरह से ये सारी चीज़ें जो होती है, फिर then we have a concept of money. So money is also a major mathematical concept. So these are the few things which are mostly studies in mathematics and numeracy. अभी हम कुछ टॉयज़ देखेंगे और कुछ ऐसे लर्निंग रिसोर्स देखेंगे जो कि बच्चों को अर्ली मैथमेटिक्स डेवलपमेंट में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करते हैं. And these toys and learning resources really help kids to engage in early numeracy development activities. सबसे पहला जो मेरा अपना पर्सनल फेवरेट बहुत ज़्यादा है, often it's very enjoyable to play, is this board. If you can all see this board, this board is called MacPad. This board is called MacPad. This is a very good board to initiate the early number recognition and early numeracy writing. ये एक पेन के साथ आता है, and if you can hear this, there are some sounds. इसके अंदर छोटे छोटे magnets लगे हुए होते हैं. What you do is you allow the kid to hold the pen and then allow them to trace it. So for instance, इस पे directions बनी होती है, and then as soon as you trace, the magnets appear. इससे बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटीज़ हो सकती हैं. आप ज़रूरी नहीं है एक टॉय से जो है सिर्फ आप ट्रेसिंग करवा रहे हैं, आप इनको इस बोर्ड के थ्रू नंबर रिकग्निशन करवा सकते हैं, अर्ली साइंस एंड सिम्बल्स के बारे में बता सकते हैं. यू ऑल्सो गेट टू टीच देम द फाइन मोटर स्किल्स बाय लेटिंग देम होल्ड दिस पेन, एंड देन यू अलाउ देम द ट्रेसिंग. यू कैन सी कि यहाँ पर साइंस लगी हुई है, 1, 2. ये बहुत ज़रूरी एक है टॉय, एंड दिस इज़ एज आई थिंक एज इकोनॉमिकल एज 1000 rupees. You can also develop this toy at home, but it's also ideal to purchase. This is a very good toy that you can all keep. ये बहुत early number recognition जो है वो बच्चों को सिखा रहा होगा. This is one type of a toy, and this is called MacPad toy. You can find all these toys on ODs. I will write it down in the comments as well. You can find all these toys at ODs. मैंने अभी कमेंट में डाला है कि आपको टॉयज़ कहाँ से मिल सकते हैं. The other very important toy to teach number operation is this. This is called I Love Mathematics. This is a very good toy. Through this one toy you can teach several number operations. अगर आप इस toy को खोलते हैं तो this comes with these little number symbols. These are very wooden, safe for young kids. इस number symbols के through आप बच्चे को sequencing सिखा सकते हैं कि how to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, there are sticks. So if you have a number 1, you can allow the child to pick up number 1 stick and put it just right beneath it. 2, so then the child can pick up 2 sticks and put it right beneath it. Then it comes with also with flashcards, whereby kids can put the number, trace the number, and also see the relevant associated object. This is an amazing toy to teach the number operation to very, very young kids. And this also comes with this addition and subtraction chart. So this is an amazing toy which is erasable. So this comes with this erasable pen as well, which you can help you do the addition with your young kids and do some sort of exercises of basic number operation. So this is an amazing toy for early years which help you gain this number operation activities and skills to your young children as well. The third toy that we use, it's a very low cost toy. ये आप घर पे भी बना सकते हैं. These are number tags. And this is a hand that I've made it myself. So ये आप घर में बना लें. कोई भी आप foaming sheet या जो है felt sheet ले लें. And you design this little hand with palm with your young kid. Just pick up any number. These are those number tags, number counters. You can see that. These are those number counters. You allow the child to pick up any number like this. Number 3, for instance, and you allow the child to show you 3 fingers only. So I bend 1, 2, and these are 3 fingers. Kids would love this activity, and through this activity they would also have a great number sense, number recognition, early operations and all of this. This is another activity for number operation that we have done. The other activity, the very important activity that we need to do is also the pattern making. Pattern making is one of the most essential activities that you can teach in early childhood. So ये ऐसा एक बहुत interesting सी game आती है. These are all made of woodens, and you need to just put elastic inside of it and draw different patterns on it. You can see there are linear patterns, there are check boxes. Similarly, there are simple lines, simple circles, simple stars, and simple crescent. And you just sort of like shuffle it in different ways. And then tell the child कि आप दोबारा से जो है sequence करें इस पूरे pattern को. This is a very fun activity. This is a very interesting activity that your kids can do, and this is going to teach them the early pattern recognition as well. So this is one of the most recommended activity that I would say to teach early patterning skills. Then the other thing you can do is patterns में estimation भी बच्चों को सिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. How to estimate, how to predict. इसके लिए भी आप बहुत easily जो है ये box खरीद सकते हैं. Simply एक box आपके घर में होता है. मैंने इसके अंदर कुछ tags रखी हैं. आप ऐसे different boxes ले shake it. Ask the child to predict कि इसके अंदर कितने pegs हैं. You can have 2-3 boxes like this and put different amount of pegs in different boxes. Just shake it and ask the child to guess कि इसके अंदर कितनी pegs हैं. This will allow early logical recognition, and this will allow you to help your child to understand that they have to estimate. There is a sound, there is a weight to everything. So this is one of the very good activities that you can teach your kids to do it at home. Similarly, then there is another activity that will give them the sense of spatial. ये बहुत अच्छा जो है, ये बहुत low cost भी है. You can take any glass, you can take a ball, and you can ask the child to just throw a ball up in the air and try to catch it through this. So आप सामने खड़े रह के ball throw करें. Ask the child to catch it using this glass. The child through this will see and understand the basic concepts of physics and engineering. If a ball is coming from far, they have to catch it with which pressure. So this is early numeracy development, and this will really boost your child's memory, child's concentration, and a lot many different skills will enhance. Also, the other activity that you can do is you can take this ball and you can take this glass, और इससे आप जो है बच्चों को preposition सिखा सकते हैं. यानी कि ball is over the glass, the ball is under the glass, we put the ball inside of the glass, we put the ball outside of the glass. Preposition is also early numeracy activity, and you can teach it through very low cost manner. Now this is amazing activity that can allow the child to boost early mathematical skills, and it really helps enhances their coordination, eye-hand coordination. It enhances the pattern recognition and everything. This toy is called colorful block building. It's a must toy for everybody, every parent to have it. क्योंकि ये toy are so economical that sometimes when you try to develop a low cost, उसके पैसे उतने ही हो जाते हैं, because when you buy the poster paints, then you buy the wooden blocks, तो पैसे उतने ही लग जाते हैं. So choice is yours whether you want to make a low cost one or you want to get this toy. It's called Colorful Block Builder. It's an amazing toy. This teaches the young kids patterning so well. ये आता है different flashcards के साथ. You can see that this is a sailboat. So you're teaching the vocabulary and asking the child to pick out different shapes and exactly create the sailboat using these 3D shapes, which gives a very good early support for early geometrical development as well. So हम geometry में theorems में हमें कितनी difficulty होती है. If you give such activities, बच्चा in future is very good with learning and adapting to theorems as well. Then the other thing that we can teach is using low-cost material, which is through shapes. Shapes के बारे में पता होना. कितने लोग जो हम कहते हैं कि चलो वो गोल बॉटल उठा कर ला दो. This is not gold. This is cylinder. And if you're teaching the 3D, shapes to young kids, they develop their vocabulary as well, which is a good mathematical vocabulary development. They should use the relevant words, relevant things associated to different resources. So this is a cylinder shape. You can teach it to the child using any of this thing. This is cuboid. This I used it from my old makeup thing. This I have simply taken this type of a plate and converted into a cone shape. So you can teach them cone shape. जैसे ही आप बच्चे को ये cone shape दिखाएं, ask them to go to home and collect or point to 5 different things at home that are associated with cone shape. Likewise, you can do it with their cylinder shapes. Ask the child to point out different things with cylinder shapes as well. Similarly, this is what you call as a simple 2D flat shape. So you can teach different shapes to young kids as well using these resources. Then this is a very good toy. ये सबके पास ही होता है. आई थिंक ये वो चीज़ है जिसमें आप वो टावर बनाते हैं. Now you can use these activities. These toys are easily available at ODs. ODs have very good quality toys, so you can buy from there as well. These are the rings that you can use it in teaching various things. This is not just one toy, but with one toy you can do various activities. So एक तो आप ये टावर वाली एक्टिविटी करवा सकते हैं, जिसमें you can ask them to throw this rings to properly get into that tower. दूसरी चीज़ आप ये भी कर सकते हैं कि आप अपने घर में डिफरेंट चीज़ें जो है डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स रख दें. यू कैन आस्क देम कि क्यूबॉइड जितने भी हैं उसके अंदर आप ये रिंग थ्रो करें. दिस टीचेस द किड्स स्पेसिंग. दे नो कि कितने स्पेस कितने प्रेशर से उनको रिंग थ्रो करनी है कि उस प्रॉपर्ली ब्लॉक पे जाके बैठे. So this develops the early sense of physics as well. So you need to really understand कि छोटी छोटी maths की activities हैं which are very interesting, very good, but this teaches your kids with a lot many skills as well. इससे उनका आई हैंड कोऑर्डिनेशन होता है, क्रॉस मोटर डेवलपमेंट होती है. So this one toy has so many other benefits. Another toy that I would want to recommend is this. When you want to teach kids time, it's a very important thing that a 3-year-old, 4-year-old should know what is half past, what is quarter to, what is quarter past, what is o'clock. So जब भी आपका बच्चा up to 3 to 4 years का हो, you can simply ask them to if they can show you what is half past 12, what is quarter to 12. So teach them this. You can either buy this or you can if you're good at drawing, you can also make it at home as well. So depend करता है कि आपके पास कितना budget है, आपके पास कितनी efforts है. If I want to buy it, it's like 550 or 600 rupees to me. If you want to draw it at home, you can take something and draw the this type of a clock by yourself as well. ये समझना एज अ पेरेंट बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वॉट एवर इन्वेस्टमेंट यू आर मेकिंग आइदर इन अ लो कॉस्ट टॉय और अ कॉस्ट टॉय, क्या वो आपकी एफर्ट है इतनी. If you are designing a low cost toy which is costing you 300 rupees, and if you can get the similar toy from the market in 300 rupees, then you should think about it. Why I picked up a few low cost materials to teach 3D shape, because 3D shapes जो हैं वो 3300 का पूरा सेट मिलता है. I think it was expensive. I can go for a cheaper option, but I can never design something like this. We call it what? I love mathematics, because this is like hardly 1300, 1400 rupees, and if I go on developing such a material of such quality by my own, I may not be able to do it. At least some people may do it, some people may not be able to do it. So choice as a parent, as a teacher is yours कि आपको या तो high cost या तो cost material लेना है या तो low cost material लेना है. Similarly, another activity that I have is very important, very low cost, is this. You must have in your mathematics resource center or mathematics toy this measuring tapes. Allow kids to measure different things at home. This will teach them centimeters क्या होते हैं, कितने centimeters जो है वो feet बनते हैं, कितने inches जो है वो feet बनते हैं, कितने centimeters जो है कितने inches बनते हैं. This is very important. If I ask you all a question, how many inches are there in 2 feet? How many of you can answer abruptly? At least I can't. But we need to ensure कि हमारे kids को ये सारी चीज़ें थोड़ी मोड़ी पता हो. Similarly, बहुत अच्छा तरीका measurement सिखाने का है these things. These things. These are ml jars, 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml. This teaches them like different volumes. के liquid के volumes होते हैं, so they will understand कि ounce क्या होता है, ml क्या होता है, how many ounces ml. So जब हम recipes देख रहे होते हैं, हमें Google करना पड़ता है कि 8 ounce कितने ml होता है. But हमारे kids को if we give them early exposure to such exercises, they will understand and they will build those early skills. So this is very essential. Another toy that I would like to recommend is this types of puzzles, wooden puzzles, which is allowing them to fix different things. और ये भी आपको ODs पे मिल जाएंगे बहुत easily, या आप चाहे तो आप घर में बना सकते हैं. It's totally your choice. So these types of things really enhance different mathematical skills of your kids. The other, which is not maybe the last toy but second last toy, is this. These are blocks and these are amazing to teach fractions. Now, how do you teach fraction? You teach them this is whole. A whole is composed of 2 halves, right? So this is whole. A whole is composed of 2 halves. So here we add 2 halves. 2 halves are composed of 4 quarters, and we pull out these different smaller ones with the 4 knobs on it, and then we put it like this. So we teach them, and the 4 quarters accumulate 1 full. And this is a best way of teaching fractions to young kids. You can also take an apple and you can ask them to cut it into half and then into quarters. And this way you are teaching fractions as well. So ये कुछ activities थी जो I hope आपके जो है वो kids को बहुत ज़्यादा जो है engage रखेगी in early numeracy and mathematics development. Now I will just go ahead and announce one gift. So this is a very interesting mathematics gift. हमने एक contest रखा था जिसके अंदर people participated, and we have chits over here. So I will invite my mother to come and pick up just one chit, and then जिसका भी नाम आएगा, this toy will go to that person. So please take the chit. Okay, so we now have a chit. Let's see who's the winner of today's session. So it's Shaliza Wahab. Shaliza Wahab, please text me your address and everything, and I'll send you this toy. This toy is also given to you by ODs. So today's session, ODs has really helped me. ODs is one of the choices. Next week, I will again come with few toys, few activities. If you have any questions, please write it over here in the comments. I will answer in like next 5 minutes. If you have any comments, please share. Next week I will come with yet again activities and some toys and some resources to show with you how you can keep your kids engaged. Next week का contest we will announce on Tuesday. जिसने भी ठीक से गेस किया होगा हम उनके नाम चिट्स में डालेंगे and your child or you will get a toy as a gift. Today's winner is Shaliza. Nobody guessed the session right, but we still had the balloting. So if you have any questions or comments, you are please more than welcome to ask us. Next week we will come again with few more toys of interest of young kids and teach you different concepts, how to go about teaching and using those toys. So thank you. I'm getting comments. There's this one question. Please guide me. Is it important to teach even and odd? If it is, then how to introduce them? Okay, even and odd is very important. Another thing. So what I do is I usually take those counters, small circle counters, and then you put it like this. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then ask the child. जिससे भी आपकी finger pass हो रही है, that is even, और जिससे finger pass नहीं होती यानी कि जो road block है, that is odd. That is one very good way of going about it. I would have to look for a pen. मैं यहाँ draw करके otherwise आपको बता दूँ कि आपने ऐसे एक circle draw करना है, 1 circle, 2 circle. So 2 circle के बीच में से उंगली pass हो रही है, right? That is an even number. And then you can draw similar circles and teach them even and odd number concept very easily. Thank you, Tilak. Thank you, Nigar. So thank you so much. Next week we will again, you are more than welcome to put your comments and questions. I have already mentioned where you can buy some very good child development toys in the comments as well, and you can see it in the brochure as well. So next week we will come again with a very short brief pep talk, and that pep talk topic you all will guess. Whoever will guess will get a prize and toy from us. Today's winner is Shaliza Wahab. So I will request you to please send me your address so I can send you this toy, which is a very good mathematical development toy for young kids. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and stay safe, stay indoors. Take care and Allah Hafiz.